Here we are, Interstate 275 north, just north of Tampa, and I'm going to show you the longest off-ramp, exit ramp. This is at exit 59, Land O'Lakes, State Highway 56. I'm traveling, I don't know, 60 miles per hour on cooking oil. Yes, I'm running on free fuel. So we're heading up to Interstate 75. So here it goes. We look at the time. We're 39 seconds into 40 seconds into the video, and we get off the ramp. So let's see how long this exit ramp is. So we're starting. We're going. We're flowing. You're still on the exit ramp. Most exit ramps would end right now. After, I don't know, 20 seconds. You're still on that exit ramp there, guy. Yep, you are. See, very nice, beautiful April 25th, 2018, here in the west coast of Florida. As I said, I'm just north of Tampa. And yes, you're still going. Here is the off-ramp. Yep. We're still going. It's been a minute now. You're on your off-ramp still. It's been a minute. No, that's it. This is the, I don't know. Maybe you can upload a video, but I think the world's longest exit ramp. So there you go. You're still on it. You're still exiting. You're still on the ramp. You are. You're still on it. Still cruising. Okay, it's coming to an end, and it's coming upon 2 minutes. So that's at least 2 miles of an off-ramp. Yes, it's 2 minutes now. So over 2 minutes. As I said, I'm traveling 60. There we go. And you are still on your ramp. You're almost to your destination. Yes, that's it. That is the end of the off-ramp. Oh man, it takes you 2 minutes and 30 seconds to get off on that off-ramp. Have a good day, folks.